Welcome to the channel, folks. So today's review is going to be covering this right here. This is the NOVsight multifunction outdoor work light. This is a nifty little unit. The guys at NOVsight sent me this to take a look at and review and to showcase it on the channel. So it came in this nice little box here, really nicely packaged. And this is a really kind of nifty, like multi-use LED light. So as you see it here, it kind of has this fold-out arm. It's rechargeable and it has a nice little hook there. Magnetic strips on the other side of it. So when you fold it, you can sit it down on something magnetic and attach it as a work light, okay? And it came with a charging cable. You just plug it into a USB connection, and there is a little input here on the side of the device. Okay, now this little diffuser can pop right off, and now you have full access to the LED array. So there's two functions to this, really. You got the main kind of LED here, strip, and then you have a flashlight. The flashlight has two modes, which is nice. Okay, really bright. I just turned this on in the room here, turned off all the lights, and at the end of the video, I'll show you some clips outside what this looks like in total darkness. But that's a two-mode lighting. You got, it turns on in high, and then you give a low setting. So really nice beam pattern from this. Just here in the room, it has like a really strong hot spot and then a good diffuse light all the way around it, filling up the whole room. So really nice beam pattern on the flashlight. So then when you have it on the flashlight, there's one single button to operate this. Okay? There's one single button. So when you have it in flashlight mode, you hold it down, and that activates the larger light, the big lamp on it. This is a really big LED array, and as you can see, it turns on in medium, and then you can hit it once more for high, and then it goes to low. So there's one more setting to this, and you have a night option, which is the red lamp, and then you have a strobe. Okay, so the red light is actually good for night vision. So it saves your night vision, saves your eyes. That way you can still see something at nighttime and not be overly noticed, okay? If you want to do like a night ops or be very, private or secluded and not want to disturb other people with a bright white light, you can turn on that red light operation and you can still see. Meanwhile, you're not going to be detected by others, unknowingly. So, really nice option that this thing comes with. I really like how you have a strobe just in case, you're out and need assistance or some kind of emergency. You can have a strobe light, which is nice. But this here is super bright. I'm really liking this. Like I said, super easy to use. You have the option of flashlight or the big LED work light. So, with the diffuser on, let's take a look at it. Let's just cycle through there and then show you what it looks like. This diffuser works really nice, so it really spreads out the light and kind of evens it out. Great if you're in a tent or some kind of like shed or something where you just need to diffuse some light and not be blinded by the direct LED array. This is great. So, and then you have the very last setting is your low setting. So this can operate on low for 84 hours. Okay, so it's got a really strong battery life. This is 1,000 lumens for the for this here. This setting right here is 1,000 lumens. So you got a really high output lighting in a really compact unit. And obviously this is rechargeable and it's IPX5 waterproof rated. There's also LED indicators here to show you the battery life, which is nice. This came fully charged, which is always nice. LED strip there to tell you where your battery life is at. And like I said, this is a great little unit. It's got a little hook on the handle, magnetic strips, and also a tripod thread, okay? Your 10, 28, or 32, I believe, tripod thread, or quarter 20 tripod threads right there. So you can use that with a tripod and have it set up in different configurations depending on what you're trying to do with it. So that's always a nifty thing to have, is flexibility when it comes to mounting. Like I said, you can either hook it, magnetic, attach it, or you have the option for some kind of threading for a tripod, or you can attach it to your headgear or something, or to your body. Anything is possible with this light. So I'm really enjoying this. I really love the form factor of it. The lighting output, I'm going to use it for stuff outside in the garage, working on cars, especially working outside at nighttime when I go take a walk or go to the shed or something like that. This is a great little option on top of having like a headlamp. You know, taking the dogs out, things like that. It's also a good idea to have a lamp with you. Like I said, the flashlight's pretty strong, so I'm very impressed with the flashlight and the beam pattern. So you get a really nice, good hot spot, so that will give you some good, you know, distance when you're trying to look at something, say outside. But that there is the NOVsight multifunction outdoor work light. I really like this unit. So let's go ahead and fast forward to some clips outside. So here is one use for the NOVsight work light. I have it attached to my drill press, as you can see, and it sheds light onto the work surface here so I can see what I'm doing. This here is one definite use I would use this for. Let's go take a look at some more uses outside in the dark. Okay, so we're outside, and as you can see, this thing actually glows in the dark. So you can see the actual work light. It has that like rectangular green glow around the outside of the light. I'm trying to walk away from the garage here so you can see that. So it kind of glows. So that little green outline is going to help you identify that it's a work light if you were in a very dark situation, such as outside here. I have my truck, and we're just going to like go through the settings here. So we have the flashlight, really bright flashlight. I could definitely use this to work under the hood or underneath the vehicle. As you can see, it lights up the whole truck. That's the high setting. Then we have low, still a great light output. If I had to change a tire or look at something underneath the truck, some kind of noise or whatever, I could still do that. Really nice spotlight on the work light. This will be a great addition to keep inside your vehicle if you had to, you know, use it as a vehicle auxiliary light. Let's go through, and that's the high one more time. Low, still very bright. So when you hold the button, it cycles through the higher output LED. Okay, so that large LED, it's in high right now. As you can see, look at this. It lights up the whole truck. If I had to work on the vehicle in an emergency, I could definitely do that. I can see all the way into here. If I had to work on the vehicle, I had to get underneath, you could definitely still use this in a pinch, in an emergency. You know, plop it on the ground and angle it because of the stand, and you can still do your thing. Let's go work through the settings here. We have the green glow. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. This thing glows green, so you can identify it in the dark. It seems like it's a glow-in-the-dark material because after I light it up, it's a lot brighter than it is when it's not in use. So that's one good feature about it that I did not know. Okay, so let's go through the larger flood settings here. We have the bright, as you can see, this is the high setting, super bright, and then it goes into a low. So you have three settings. It kind of starts with like the medium, goes super bright, and then the low. Then we have the red color, night vision, night ops, or whatever you want to call it. This saves your eyes and makes you less conspicuous in the dark, as you can see, and you can still see a lot. You can fully work on this without being too noticeable at nighttime, if that's something you had to do, okay? And then it goes into a strobe, red colored light, and that's it. So let's just cycle back through. So we got that nice bright light, super bright on the second click, and then the third click is a low setting. Then it goes into solid red,
and then red strobe, which is pretty damn bright. If you had to use this in an emergency setting on the side of a road or something, that also could work. But that there is the light, guys. I'm really liking it. I like how compact it is, and it has magnetic mount, so you can stick it to the frame of your truck or your vehicle if you're working on it. And it's definitely something I will be using. I'm very happy with it so far. I enjoy all the different settings, and the ability to have this red, kind of output for night ops, which is great for a tactical situation, if you know what I mean. So that's the light, NOVsight work light, guys. I'll put the link in the information for this product down below the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.